Hi, I'm Summer Way, one of your favorite dance vixens of StilettoBurn. I'm here today to give a tutorial on 3 dance moves that we do here in StilettoBurn class. I'm here to send some positive vibes your way and letting you know that you can walk confident in your heels. The first move is called the walk. Now the walk in heels is something every woman should be able to do, whether you're in a club, whether you're walking down the street with your girls, just strutting in heels. You should be confident and you should learn how to walk. Your back is straight, chin is up, and you're walking with confidence. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now you saw I did the and 4. That helps with balance. A lot of women walk in heels and don't know where to stop. Okay, now taking it back. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can do that break and you can look from side to side. Now, I'm gonna do that break again. And break. Okay? Because again, if you're in the car driving, we have that break. This is your break in your heels. Boom. That's a gem. That's free. All right, the second one that we're going to go over, second move, is going to be called the drop. Now, the drop is my favorite because you can do it fast or you can do it slow. So I'm going to go over this drop very slowly. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, when we're here, back is straight, chin is up, and you're looking confident. I have a pet peeve. I like the hands to be cupped to the knees. So your back is straight, and then when you come up, you're gonna come up like this. Boom. Let me do that again. You're gonna do the drop slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you have that extra balance, you can even do the boom, 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 boom. Okay? Or you could go beep, 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 beep. Okay? Then you still come up, boom. You lead with your butt, come up. Now, a fast way to do the drop, which is also one of my favorite, because it's like boom. Step in the door, wave in the boom. Hey, bring it up. I'll do that again. Step in the door, wave in the boom. Okay? And then you can still do the dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. All right, then you come up, lead with the butt. Boom. The third move, which is another one of my favorites. I guess I just love them all. Okay, is the heel whip. The heel whip, you can do chin is down, because when you do the heel whip, you don't want your hair to get in your face and you want to keep your balance. So you pick a spot in the room, chin is down, and you're going to whip it. Boom, boom. Or you can go boom. Or you can do the whip like this. 1, 2, hit. Okay? So make sure you're whipping it around from side to side. Boom. Girls, want to send us your videos with your different moves that you learned today, add us at StilettoDance_ on Instagram, or you can load it up to YouTube and hashtag StilettoBurn. Positive vibes.